had some turbo CrossBolts somewhere in here. They're becoming recommended or mandatory depending on what you're doing or where you're racing. So I figured I'd get ahead of the curve and get them installed now, so it's not a problem. So I 3D printed this little template that just goes, you know, right over the exhaust, and has my 3/8 holes that are offset. So it's like 3/8 bolt is 0.375, and I think these are offset center line to center line like 0.385. So using my daughter's sparkly multicolored filament in a 3D printer. But just pull a little blankie off. We're gonna pop this band off, and then pop that little logo off. We'll figure out where to mark our holes. I got the holes pretty damn good. I use my Fupa cup. So I'll let this back push for a little bit, and then we'll blast it on in there. All right, we got the CrossBolts blasted in there. So we'll cool this thing down, I'll let it purge for a little bit longer, and then I'll pull these out and I'll throw the copper washers, crush washers in there, and I'll throw it back on the car. Alright, we got it back on. See the CrossBolts right there. Got the blankie back in. So I'm gonna go find the keys, pull the plugs, and we'll give this thing a cold start. Make sure everything's good. Kind of neglected it the last couple of weeks. See if we're reliable, we'll start.